Good morning, children. Class 4 Science Lesson 3 Air We Breathe. Today the last topic is explain air pollution and its effects. We'll start air pollution. Introduction. So what is environment? Everything that makes up our surroundings in which a person, plant and animal lives. Then what is pollution? Anything that harms our environment. Then what is air? That is invisible mixture of gases that is a part of the environment. Then what is air pollution? Pollution is anything that harms our environment. Air is the invisible mixture of gases that is a part of our environment. Therefore, air pollution is anything that harms or pollutes the air around us. So, what is air pollution? It is anything that harms or pollutes the air around us. There is a certain percentage of gases present in the atmosphere. An increase or decrease in the composition of these gases is harmful to survival. The atmospheric balance is disturbed by human activities. This leads to environmental problems like air contamination and global warming. The air carries soot, smoke and other particles from car exhaust and power plants. These are the major contribution to air pollution. Air pollution occurs when small chemical or biological substances are released into atmosphere. There are two types of air pollutants, that is primary pollutants and secondary pollutants. First see the primary pollutants. Primary pollutants are the pollutants that are released directly into the air. For example, of these pollutants are ash released from volcanic eruption and carbon monoxide from vehicles. Secondary pollutants. Secondary pollutants are produced by the reaction between primary pollutant and atmospheric compounds. There are various threats of air pollution such as acid rain, global warming, ozone depletion and smoke formation. Let's see one by one. Number 1, acid rain. Pollutants like sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxide enter air from coal-fired power station, road vehicles and others. Sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxide combine with the air humidity to form sulfuric acid and nitric acid. When rain and snow mix with these acids, it results in acid rain. The acid rain causes damages to forests, fish, animals, human beings, statues and stonework of buildings. It also causes crop destruction and respiratory problem in children. Number 2, global warming. When some gases are released due to human activities, these rises into the atmosphere and trap the heat of the sun. Then temperature rises, causing the phenomena of global warming. Carbon dioxide is one such gas produced mainly by the burning of fossil fuels. Methane released by coal-based industries and chlorofluorocarbons released by refrigerator also result in global warming. Third one, ozone layer. The ozone layer in the stratosphere absorbs sun's ultraviolet rays and protect the life on the earth. But the destruction of the ozone layer causes an increased amount of solar radiation on Earth's surface. This increased radiation damages the plants, animals and human beings. Disease caused due to sun radiation are like skin cancer, eye diseases and others. Ozone also forms in the lower the atmosphere when different air pollutants mix and causes chemical reactions. But this ozone is harmful and irritate the eyes, nose, throat and damage the lungs. Fourth one, smoke. Smoke appears when sunlight falls on gases released from automobiles and factories. There are two types of smog, London type smog and photochemical smog. Let's see one by one. Number 1, London type smog. London type smog occurs when moisture in the air mixes with the smoke particles produced by burning coal and others. 2, photochemical smog. Photochemical smog occurs when various types of air pollution from industry and automobiles are mixed. Smog formation due to the pollutants of thermal power station and nuclear power station are harmful to humans. Aerosol formation When liquid or solid particles are dispersed in air, it is called aerosol. Aerosols are deposited on the leaves affecting photosynthesis. How to control air pollution? Here they are giving 3 steps. Number 1, avoid using vehicles. People should avoid using vehicles or shorter distance. Rather, they should prefer public modes of transport to travel from one place to another place. This is not only prevents pollution but also conserve energy. Point 2. Energy conservation. A large number of fossil fuels are burned to generate electricity. Therefore, do not forget to switch off the electrical appliances which are not in use. Thus, you can save the environment at the individual level. Use of energy efficient devices such as CFLs also control pollution to a greater level. Third one, use of clean energy resources. The use of solar energy, wind energy and geothermal energies reduce air pollution at a larger level. Various countries including India have implemented the use of these resources as a step towards a cleaner environment. How to check our air pollution? Air pollution can be reduced by the following steps. Number 1. Alternative source of energy, that is example solar energy should be used. Number 2. Air filters should be used to prevent harmful gases mixing with air. Number 3. Smoke emission tests and certification of motor vehicles must be enforced. Number 4. More trees should be planted to absorb carbon dioxide. The last and the best way of reducing the ill effects of air pollution is tree plantation. Plants and trees reduce a large number of pollutants in the air. Ideally, planting trees in areas of high pollution levels will be extremely effective. Here the small quote of the air pollution. If you pollute air today, it will pollute your lungs tomorrow. So children, you have to reduce air pollution and increase your lifespan. The lesson to be completed. Thank you. Have a nice day.